Now look, I usually follow the rules, but I'm so fed up, so not this time. I'm taking matters into my own hands. This little area is my personal little haven. You guys see all the time in my videos, but it's not looking too hot right now with the ground cover. You see how there's barely any mulch left there? And the HOA has not refreshed the mulch this year at all. So guess who's gonna refresh it? Do you guys like deer grass? I'm kind of on the fence about it. It gives me some privacy, but it's not very cute. I decided to go with rubber mulch because mulching is my least favorite lawn task, and I definitely don't want to do it every year. Will the HOA come a-knocking? I guess we shall see. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. Yep. This is definitely an improvement. An improvement, but can I do anything to make it better? It already looks so much better. But the next question is, should I go 10 toes down and lock it in? I'm pretty sure I heard a yes. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Bed and border bond, going down. This mulch glue is so cool, and I really love the wand that comes along with it. I'll definitely be using this wand for other projects. As you can see here, the product is white when you spray it on, but don't worry, it won't be white for long. You can see where I started is already starting to dry and clear up. Now this is about 4 hours later, and you can see how much darker and better it looks. So it looks like bed and border bond works pretty good on rubber mulch as well. Adding the mulch and locking it in has definitely enhanced this space. It's hard to appreciate it on camera, but that sheen that's on here is beautiful. Oh yeah, now we're cooking, baby. It's looking so much better.